Welcome to this tutorial. I'm going to show you the step-by-step process on how to install and set up your app Zone Conversion Action Automation for workflow. Once you are in your account, navigate to App Marketplace, search for the app and click on it. Then you click on Install and you click on Allow and Install. Skip over this page. Once you're done installing your app, refresh the tab and you head down to the custom page. Click on it. The first interface of the app is going to pop up. You will have access to all the necessary features such as the documentation and everything you need to get started. The app is right over here. We have the tutorial videos and the walkthrough configuration video that is going to help you on how to get the necessary credentials to set up your app. Here we have the app set up and the app has not yet been configured. No worries, let's walk you through how to configure your app. Click on the Start Setup, insert your email, then you're good to go. Then you click on Complete Setup, and your app will be successfully configured and set up. We have the Support Center where you'll be able to create a ticket for the team and book a call with the team. We have the changelog feature, which is one of the interesting features where you're going to track all the new updates and improvements made on this app. To receive the email, toggle on the email notification button, insert your email and click on subscribe. Thanks for watching. You've learned how to install and set up your app. Our support team is available for more guides and tips. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.